Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. What we were studying? Point, line segment, line. Other than that, something other also I have marked. I have drawn. What are they? They are called rays. Then please tell me how many rays are there? How many rays are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 rays are there. Then what is this? No end point means one line segment. This is a line segment. Sorry, two line segment. These two are line segments. And what is this? Third one is a line, isn't it? So third one is a line. Clear? So what is a ray? What do you understand? Ray have one end point. Ray has one end point. In each ray one end point and one arrow mark. So each ray has one end point and one arrow mark. Arrow mark indicates what? It continuing. It is continuing. Understood? So next, what did you study already? This one is a line segment. It has a specified length. It cannot continue. Understood? It's a segment. These two are line segments. And last one means this one. This one is a line. Understood? I think that you could understand. So what are they? Once more let's write. First you have studied point. Next you studied line segment. Next line. Next what did you study? Rays. Isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4 concept you have studied now. What is a point? Understood? Next line segment. Then next line. Then what is rays? Ray. Plural is rays. Okay. So in the case of lines, there are two types of lines. Isn't it? These two lines are cutting each other, isn't it? But we are using the word in maths. We are not using cutting each other. The word is intersecting. What is the word? Intersecting. These two lines are intersecting. Let's intersect the lines. Intersecting. Understood? Two lines are intersecting. These two are intersecting lines. These all are intersecting lines now. Clear? Intersecting lines. Okay. So, if it is not intersecting, what will happen? This never be intersecting. That is called, isn't it? You are sure that it won't intersect anywhere. If you are continuing in both direction, surely it won't intersect. Okay, such lines are called parallel lines. Such lines are called what is? Parallel lines. Okay. Such lines are called parallel lines. If the lines are not intersecting, such lines are called parallel lines. Okay. So you see, children, Can you see this? First one is an what type of lines? Intersecting lines, isn't it? So can you see here names given? How the names given? Yeah, you all have names. Similarly, point, line, segment, reach, everything will have names. So here, can you see a point there? Okay, this is point D. Point D. Point D. Okay, next one, what is this? This is line EF. Line EF. Can you see here an E is written, here an F is written. To write that, what you have to do? You just draw the line. You just put that point very near to arrow mark, then give the names EF. So it is called, what you can call it is? It is line EF. Line EF, when you have to write line EF, just draw like that. Then only you can understand what is, whether it is line segment or ray. Okay. So point A, point B, point C, point D, like that. Okay. Similarly, can you understand? First one is line AB. To understand that, line AB, this is line CD. How can you write it? Line AB. To understand that, you have to write that. Line CD. Line AB, line CD. Okay. Similarly, if it is a ray, how can you? Ray MN. If it is line, line segment CD. Clear? I think you can understand that all. Point, once more I will explain for you. Point A. This is called point A. Understand well, children. Today you don't want to write the notes, just understand. I will tell when you have to start to write the notes. Okay. Line BC. Is it? Next, this is equal to ray CD. If it is line segment, how can you read? Line segment EF. Okay. I think you can understand well. How to give the names? Once more I am showing. Just put a dot here or very near to arrow mark and give the names AB. Clear? Now it is line AB. Okay. Next, the important concept what you are going to study is curves. Curves. Isn't it? I don't want to explain. You all know that curves. Curve. You can draw like this. You can draw like this. Okay. So, but these first two are same type. Clear? Third one is different. How it is? These two are, this one and this one are open curves. It is not closed. First two are open. Second one, third one is closed. Isn't it? So you have to understand there are two types of curves, open curve and closed curve. What is that? Open curve and closed curve. Very simple. Open curve means it is opened. Closed curve means it is closed. Understood? Open curve and closed curve. And in the case of closed curve, you have to understand three terms. They are, listen, suppose I am just drawing like something amoeba. Okay, so okay. So children, then tell me, how can you identify these positions? Yeah, this brown color is outside the curve. Our curve is in what is white color. This all what is this side position is outside the curve. So it is called the exterior. Outside the curve means exterior of the curve, isn't it? Exterior of the curve. And this pink one or rose color is interior. This is interior. Exterior, interior. And this white part is boundary. Boundary. Isn't it? So, for a closed curve, three terms you want to study. Exterior. While explaining, you must think about what is exterior. Next, interior. And third one is boundary. I have already said it is too simple. Now you are thinking like that. Nothing to study. Is it? So exterior, interior, boundary. Okay. So next is, while telling about the curves, I was just drawing this type of curves. What about this? Is it a curve? How these two are different? Do you think that both are same? No. Isn't it? Then you see children. Okay. Can you understand? First thing I think all of you understood. All these shapes are closed. All these shapes are closed. But how it is formed? These all closed shapes are formed by straight lines. Understood? In every figure you can see that. All are formed by the straight lines. Isn't it? Okay.